Hello, I'm Philip Byer. My filibuster today will be about scoreboarding. No, not snowboarding, but scoreboarding. Imagine attending a sports event that didn't have a scoreboard. You wouldn't know what inning, quarter, or round the game was in. You wouldn't know how much time was left in the game, who was winning, who was losing. You simply wouldn't know the score. How long would you stay interested in the game? I know I'd get bored and leave, and probably so would you. When we first started tracking waste over 15 years ago, we made sure everyone in the company knew the score. How? We posted our waste results every month by printing out charts for everyone to see. I noticed immediately that our people look forward to seeing the new charts every month. In the same way, I used to look forward to getting a report card in school, at least if I thought I did well. Thankfully, with the Scoreboard system in System 100, we no longer have to manually print out and post waste charts to show results. Results are broadcast live on affordable, large HD TV monitors located in various departments. The scoreboards are especially formatted for the 1080p displays. Now everyone can keep up with the score in real time as the data comes in, which makes scoreboarding exciting and, may I add, profitable. The way it works is when someone submits a corrective action request to management reporting a nonconformance, which is an error, bottleneck, or anything causing waste or rework, we call these things Systembusters. Now, as soon as management receives the corrective action request, they find the root cause and enter the cost for the waste. Once completed, the system instantly posts the results to the waste scoreboards for everyone to see. Scoreboards are ever present, thus removing the problem of out of sight, out of mind. People want to know the score. That's what scoreboarding's all about. With just a glance, everyone in the company should know if they're winning or losing. Why at a glance? It should only take a few seconds for anyone to know the score. If the data is too complicated, most people will ignore it and lose interest. In order to know if a system you've implemented is working, you have to measure it. System 100's quality control system has been tested, measured, and confirmed. The system works year in and year out. Our quality control system has been in place for over 15 years. It really works. It's not a theory, it's a fact. We found in our years of systemizing, rework is the greatest loss of time and money for most businesses. That's where many companies bleed out. As an owner or a manager, many kinds of waste can keep you up at night, especially when you don't have a system to stop, much less measure it. Therefore, you don't know the score. You may know things are bad, but you don't know how bad until you have an accurate scoreboard. Here's some important items our waste scoreboards show at a glance. The total amount of rework for a given period, the various types of rework that is important to your industry, what rework is costing in dollars and the percentage of total sales, which individuals in the company are causing the most rework, and the cost in time and dollars. System 100 supports scoreboards for projects or tasks. You know, those wildly important goals you assign to others, but they get lost in the day-to-day grind. System 100 also supports scoreboards for company-wide memos, encouragement scriptures, or team-building quotes, company-wide and department calendars, various types of documents normally posted on a cluttered wall where the employees gather, like those government regulations of all sorts. System 100 also supports setting up one scoreboard safe for waste charts and another scoreboard to show other types of information. You can set the order and time of rotation that you like. Okay, you advanced systemizers like myself, we've made a great video where I'm going to share with you something very few companies have at their disposal, large or small. That is live productivity scoreboards. This video on live productivity scoreboarding is a must-see. Oh, did I mention? Great systems work.